Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I'm going to show you how I make this quick and easy, very versatile container. You can do this for Halloween or you can do it for Thanksgiving and fall. But anyway, here is how it looks if you do the Thanksgiving. Halloween. It's a cute little pup. And then there's a Chihuahua bat. And it's filled with candy corn. And let me show you, just in just a few seconds, you can take these off. They stick really well. You can just peel those off, add a piece of sparkly ribbon, and you have a pretty centerpiece for fall or for Thanksgiving. But anyway, stay tuned to see how I made this. For this DIY, we're going to need a tall cylinder vase, some straight pins, a piece of ribbon, paper towel roll, and our candy corn. So first thing we're going to do is going to take our ribbon, we're going to wrap it around the vase and leave enough for an overlap and cut that off. Okay, so we've got our tall cylinder vase and I've cut a piece of ribbon to fit around the vase. All we're going to do is lay it down and we're going to need some straight pins. You could hot glue this, but I didn't want to get glue on my vase or however you say it. And this is easy to do. I'm just going to fold over one end so it has a nice clean edge, and then we're going to overlap it and then just take one of our straight pins, and I like to use these. If you had the ones with the black heads on them, those would be good, or gold heads, but anyway, you're going to take it through the piece with the fold, go that way, and then catch a piece underneath and slide it back. And you can do that 1, 2, or 3 places, how many you feel like you need to do to keep it secure. Now, this ribbon is kind of hard to do because it's got so many holes in it, but see, there you go. So there we have that done. Once we have our ribbon on there, we'll take our paper towel roll and stick it in. And we don't want it to go all the way to the top, so we're going to measure just a little bit further down. Cut it off. That's a little bit too tall. I'm going to cut off a little bit more. And you can do this to whatever height you want. That's up to you. I'm going to do that. Yeah, that's good. Then we're going to take our candy corn and we're going to pour it around the tube. If you wanted to, you could fill the whole thing up, but I just didn't see the point in wasting that much candy. So, oops, the dog's got some candy. So once you get some candy in there, kind of shake it around so you can get your tube in the center. That's pretty much in the center. I wanted just all candy corn, but they didn't have any just candy corn. They just had the mix, but that'll work too. It's got the little pumpkins in it. They are a little harder to get down in there. And if you're going to put the ribbon on the bottom, you can just put some paper in the bottom. You don't have to fill that up with candy. But I'm going to show you a different way to do this that doesn't have the ribbon on the bottom too. And you could do this for other holidays. You could put the Christmas colored candy. You could do Easter candy, Valentine's candy. This is a good way to make something festive and seasonal. Easter would be cute with jelly beans. And Valentine's with conversation hearts. That would be really cool. And I would say that if you were not going to put the paper towel roll in the middle, it would probably take up almost 3 bags to fill it up. So anyway, we'll get this to the top. go. And then we're just going to put our flowers in. And that will be our fall arrangement. So let me get my flowers. And these are just flowers from Walmart and the dollar store that I had on hand. So I've just got the stems, and we'll just stick it down in there. And you could add a bow to this if you felt like it needed one. Okay, let me adjust the camera angle. Okay, so that's our finished fall arrangement with the candy corn vase. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to, just a simple change, and then we can use this for Halloween using these really cute little window clings. So I'm just going to take my ribbon off, and then let's see, let's pick out the one I like the best. Okay, I want to do this one Chihuahua for my sister, because she has Chihuahuas. And I have a Chihuahua. One of my dogs is a Chihuahua. My little Peanut is a Chihuahua. So, all you got to do is get your window clean. Find the best spot. And there you go. Easy as that. You have a Halloween themed vase with the little candy corn showing through in the Chihuahua. Isn't that so cute? And they have window clings for all the different holidays. So, and if your window cling is too big, like I love this little dog here with a witch hat on, he's too tall, you could cut him and make him fit on there. So let's add some candy to this. And you can change this out. You could put a different one on here every day. We could let's change out. And these stick on here really well because they are made to stick to glass. Let's take this cute little pup here with the Happy Halloween sign. So there you go. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. Now, if you didn't want to put candy in here, you could put tissue paper in here, black tissue paper, white tissue paper, whatever you felt like you wanted to put in there. But I think that is so cute. And anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Have a great day. Bye.